Hala, makapal ang snow. Ay, ay, ay. What's up mga ketchup? This is Neo FR. Kung bago ka pa lang sa channel na to, please like and share and click the subscribe button and ring the notification bell para updated po kayo sa mga videos na upload natin. Ayan, tingnan yung mga chops and ketchup. Snowstorm na naman dito sa Calgary, Alberta.
Vitamins and history books, psychology and a different way to look at it all. 'Cause my perspective is broken. If suffering's a way to earn your keep, I better start putting miles on my feet. But I'm so tired of wandering. Yeah, I'm lost, but I'm living. Yeah, I'm lost. Can I be forgiven? I thought by now pain would be my friend. I know that discomfort was a means to an end, but I'm lying in one bed. No, I'm lost, but I'm living. Cannot be forgiven. Claustrophobic and comfortable. I smother myself in what I know. I'm claustrophobic and comfortable. I smother myself in what I know. Yeah, I'm lost, but I'm living. No, I'm lost. Can I be forgiven? Can I be forgiven myself in what I know?
Wiper mo dong. Wiper mo, naka ano? Ah, amog na ra?